Okay, I have a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Every once in a while, I make some weird noise. The truck is off. Anybody that knows what it could be does it overnight. Some weird noise from the bottom of the truck. Be parked overnight. A little afraid it's gonna catch on fire one of these days. If anybody knows what it could be,